guys, I'm back again, and today, as y'all can pretty much tell over there, I don't know where I went there with my hand, but the Christmas tree is up and it is in the place that I usually film, so now I'm sitting actually in front of it and we don't have a lot of space here, okay? You can actually see my table over there, you can see a little bit where, over there in the back where the TV is, my tree. I almost wanted to say Merry Christmas, but it's like the 1st of December, so it's not Christmas just yet. But I'm going to my in-laws to celebrate Sinterklaas. But before I do, I wanted to open up this box right here that has been waiting for a couple of days because I just didn't have time. So we're gonna unbox the brand new Luxbox. I noticed that like I kind of overdid my hair today. What's up with that? So it's very poofy, but okay, we're just gonna have to live through that. And today I'm actually only filming with my ring light, and as far as I can tell, like in the monitor, when I put up, see, this is better lighting, but this is like smackaroos out there. I will have to check with my camera if I can, like, I don't know, do something with the settings so that my face is not, there we go. See, this is perfect. This is perfect. It's like not too bright, not too dark, but oh well, we'll just, you know, you live and you learn, I guess. Anyway, we're gonna unbox the brand new, if I can get the cap open, the brand new Luxbox. Now we know for all of the people that are subscribed, we received an email that they're gonna change their appearance. So this is what that box looks like. I really enjoy it. I really like it. Let's see. Okay, we got the booklet right here. I'm gonna read through that. Wow, the booklet is a lot bigger as well. And this is the beautiful purple paper with like a golden little sticker. We're gonna rip that to shreds. There we go. Okay, and this is the inside of this month's box. And you know, guys, this is the November/December box, so I'm actually gonna expect quite a lot from this box since it is kind of, you know, kind of the holiday edition, if you will, of the box. Let's see, the first thing that I grab in here is, ooh, something from Ola's, or in American, it's Olay. This is in Italian. I don't speak Italian. This is the Ola's Regenerist Advanced Anti-Aging, Lord knows I need it, 3-zone serum. Okay, so that's pretty cool. This is what it looks like. Of course, it's still in the foil, so I'm kind of blinding you guys. Sorry about that. To open it or not to open it, because I kind of want to give it to my mom, because y'all know she loves Ola's, but at the same time, I do remember her saying that the Regenerist line did not work out for her. So do I keep it for myself or do I give it to my mom? I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence. So I'm not going to open it just yet because I don't know if I'm going to give it as an extra present for Sinterklaas to her. We'll just see. But the Ola's Regenerist 3-zone strengthening serum is a full size and it costs a whopping $34.99. And as everybody knows, Ola's is a brand, or Olay, is a brand that we can buy in any drugstore out there, and to pay 35 bucks in a drugstore? Come on, I find that to be a little bit much, because when Estee Lauder is on sale, for example, in like the more like Sephora, or here in Holland it's the Douglas or Ici Paris, but usually I go to Douglas. Whenever it's on sale, it's 35 euros as well. So why would I pay this when I could buy an Estee Lauder? You know, so I think Ola's has to really rethink their prices, because personally, I just feel like that's too much, and I got a hair stuck in my mouth, like, ugh, disgusting. Okay, let's move on to something that I've actually used today, and not this exact one, but I've used eye patches today. This is the Gold Eye Brightening and Firming, made with real gold extract and hyaluronic acid. These are from Vitamasks, and these are eye patches. Now, we received the exact same one already before, not necessarily in the Luxbox, but I do remember in a particular box because I have this exact one in the drawer already. So it's a full size and it costs €7.95. Okay, so far so good. Let's move on to something really big and heavy in here, and this is the creme de la creme, creamy body wash with macadamia oil to nourish and soften. Dirty works, good, clean, fun. It's a mouthful. It's got a very like 50s style. See, the bottle's very like pin-uppy. It's pretty cool. I have to say that I have a lot of like body washes already in backup, but clearly I'm gonna use it. Don't really smell. Oh, it's got more of a citrusy like smell, which honestly is not necessarily my scent. So you know what I'm gonna do with this particular body wash? I'm gonna put it in as an extra gift for Christmas for my mom. I'm pretty much giving everything to my mom. What the hell? Anyway, just because of the smell, it's not exactly my smell. Okay, I forgot to mention this is a full size and it costs €3.95. Okay, moving on to something big in here as well, which is, I have no idea. Dirty Works, Good Clean Fun. Oh, it's actually the same brand as the body wash was. This is the shower cap. One size fits all. A shower cap? Like really? Protect your locks in the bath or shower with this glamorous waterproof shower cap. Well, it's got flamingos on it. It ain't glamorous. If it's gonna be glamorous, it's gonna have diamonds on it, okay? But this has got flamingos over it, and clearly, I mean, look at how much hair I have. I do not use a shower cap because I need to wash this stuff. So what I'm actually gonna do with this shower cap is I'm gonna put it in a giveaway somewhere along the way. This is a full size and it costs €3.95. Okay, we're gonna move on to two items of the same brand, which is kind of weird, but I got two items from the same brand, which is from Labello. Let's start with this thing. Wow, this feels very, hold on, what is this? Oh, it's actually a scrub for real. Like it feels, I wanted to say like the packaging feels very, very gritty. I'm actually gonna get it out of the packaging. But this is what that little sucker looks like. I did not know that Labello made scrubs like for your lips. I did not know that. Okay, so let me just get it out of here because I feel, yes, this fella is textured as well, just like an actual scrub. I'm not really sure if you guys are able to see that or not, but it's got like texture on it, like a scrub. Let's pull it out. It doesn't really, it has like a scent, really? Like a scent of freshness, but you know, you don't really notice anything. I don't notice scrub bits in here though. Maybe if I push a little bit harder. No, I don't really notice a lot of like the scrubbiness, but I guess I'm just gonna have to figure it out along the way. Let me check. This is a full size. It has to be a full size. Yeah, it's a full size and it costs €4.99, and you could get aloe vera. Wait, did I get aloe vera? I think I did. Yeah, I got the aloe version, and you could also get, rozenbottelolie. Wow. Rose, is it rose petal oil? No, it's rose, I don't know. Anyway, you could also get a different one. Okay, now let's move on to the other thing of Labello as well. And this is the Hydration and Color Intense. It's a crayon lipstick and it's in rosy nude, and I love me a good rosy nude. Oh, hold on, I wanted to get it out of the package but I didn't show y'all. So this is what the packaging looks like. I can't flip it. See, if I flip it like this, the light reflects, so I have to, you know, place it like this. Okay, let's just open it up and swatch it a little bit. Ooh, that's got a very nude tone to it, and I actually quite like it because this kind of color goes with anything. You can even hardly see it. It's not similar to like my skin tone at all. Hold on, if I put my hand, see, I think you can see it a little bit better that way. I don't know, I have to put something in front of the camera to not be overly flashed out or something. I don't know, I have to figure it out. Anyway, beautiful, beautiful color. This clearly has to be a full size as well. Where is it? Oh, it's on the back. Yes, it's a full size and it costs €6.99. Okay, we got 4 more items. 2 of them are like sticky things. So this is from Lux Cosmetics, and this is a velvet lip liner. Wow, it took me a long time. This is what that little sucker looks like. It's a red lip liner, like I'm gonna use it. Let's give it a little swatch. Wow, that feels soft, you guys. Like, holy cow, it's soft. Okay, this is what that beautiful color looks like, red. Red is always a good color in my book. This clearly has to be a full size. Yes, it's the Lux Velvet Lip Liner number 17, Rich Ruby, what the hell? Rich Ruby. It's a full size and it costs €16.50. Okay, moving on to the other stick. This is the One, and from the One. This is the Color Unlimited eyeshadow stick. Oh, you guys, I don't use eyeshadow sticks. So this is what that little sucker looks like, and then on the inside it's not sealed, so I am going to open it. But you know what? I'm going to pass this along to my sister as an extra Christmas present. I got like this little bag that I'm kind of making for her, so I'm going to throw this in as an extra. I don't use these sticks. So yeah, she's going to get it. This is the, oh, it's from Oriflame actually. I'm sorry, it said the One. Oh, that's Oriflame. I forgot. Yeah, it's Oriflame Color Unlimited eyeshadow stick in the color Sahara Bronze. It's a full size and it costs €15. Okay, we got 2 items in the box. The box is empty. The first item is this. This is from Salcura What? Active Gel Serum, Max Strength Clear Skin, rich in omegas, vitamin A and zinc, rapid action spot control, tea tree, aloe, and eucalyptus. About this product, and then they list every single pretty much item that is in here, so take a screenshot if you want to like actually look and read. But this is what this looks like, and I have no idea what this actually is. It's a gel serum, but blah 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 works. Hold on, I have to take out the booklet for this because I need to read up. Where are you? It's the last one. It's a full size as well, and it costs €13.99. Let's see. Our anti-acne gel serum is specially designed to help with a fatty and acne sensitive skin. Oh, well, I don't have acne, and I also don't have fatty skin. Did I just say fatty skin? I'm an idiot. Oily skin. I don't have that either, so this thing is definitely not for me. It's a full size. It costs $13.99. I think I already mentioned that. And clearly you guys will be seeing this in a giveaway because this might just help acne prone skin or oily skin. So yeah, I'll put this in a giveaway. Okay, and last up is this, and this is from Alessandro International. This is a nail polish in the color Sparkling Lime, and it's got like little specks of glitter in here. I'm not really sure if the camera's gonna pick up the glitter or not. I think it doesn't, but it doesn't matter. It's a very beautiful color, and it's so teeny tiny, but it's actually perfect for a nail polish because honestly, who finishes up an entire bottle of nail polish? Like, do we, as women, let's be honest, do we actually ever really finish up a bottle of nail polish? I don't think we do. They usually dry out or we just toss them out. So I like the downsizing, less stuff out in nature, you know, less garbage in the world. So I'm actually all on board with this. This is how much? It's 5 milliliters. It's so teeny tiny, but it's actually perfect as well. So let's just check out the booklet for this last item. It's over here. Alessandro nail polish in different variety of colors. In the booklet they have a red one. I clearly got the lime, and I'm actually really happy with the lime. It's a full size. Wow, it's a full size? Okay, I did not expect this to be a full size, but it's a full size, so I'm pleased. And it costs €5.95. Okay guys, and that was it for this box. What do I think? In all honesty, I don't see this as an actual holiday edition of a box. I mean, Luxbox knew it was going to be November and December. That's probably the December boxes are probably the most anticipated boxes throughout the year, and they're also the last boxes of the year. So I would say go out with a bang and start a new year fresh. In January, we always get boxes that are everything to do with new year, new me, I'm gonna live healthy, I'm gonna lose weight, and I mean, we all fail, let's face it. I'm no difference in it as well. Anyway, the holiday box is definitely the box where we expect like glitz and just amazing stuff like lashes, glitter liners or something. Stuff that we received in the November goodie box. Remember, that box was amazing, and I'm still so afraid for the December box. But I feel with the Luxbox, they came out with a new box, a new booklet, like a whole new vibe. And I would say, why didn't you do that in January? Like a fresh new year, new box. I would say do that and still put in like Christmas editions in this box. Have it be the old box still for another 2 months. And put in lots of Christmas stuff, like I said, glittery stuff, lashes, stuff for your hair. Like we do fancy stuff, like me, for example, with my poofed up hair. I would have preferred that over this box. I would have, I guess, liked this box in January. The only actual glittery thing in here was the nail polish, and that's like, come on, you know, it's so easy to put in a glittery nail polish and call it like, you know, I don't know, a glittery holiday edition box. Like that's been done. We expect a little bit more. It is a good box. Like, don't get me wrong, it's a good box, but not, I just personally think it's not really a box for it to be like the last box of the year. Okay, that's just my 2 cents. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think about the box and about what I just said in the comment section down below. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!